Hey guys, this is your boy the Jape Master with another video. Guys, I actually have to tell you why I changed the name from the Jape Master to all-in-one SA. Guys, I've been striked guys on my YouTube channel because of the freenet tricks I've been showing you guys. Yeah, I've been striked heavy guys. So that's why I even removed some of my videos because Telkom, MTN, Vodacom and Cell C, yeah, they've been complaining to YouTube and they've been striking my channel for showing you guys all those tricks. So guys, I'm not gonna stop showing you these tricks. I'm just gonna do it on WhatsApp. I'm not gonna upload any video related to freenet. Any video, I'm not gonna do that, guys. I'm not gonna do that anymore because I don't want to lose my channel. This is like, yeah, this is my channel, guys, and I want to keep it like this. I don't want to lose this channel, guys. It got a lot of me, you see, stuff I learned and yeah, stuff I showed you guys, I teach you guys. So yeah, guys, let's start with this video. I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. So you can head to Play Store and download this app, G-Space. I don't know if you have a new Hawaii phone, guys. It's difficult to get this app. So if you have a new Hawaii phone, just try to go to POAPK or something like that. Yeah, I think it's POAPK. Then you can go download this app on POAPK. But it's on Play Store, so you guys can go download it on Play Store. Yeah, if you downloaded the app, guys, I'm gonna show you something now. I'm gonna show you how to. Okay, now you go into the app, and you press on this plus here at the bottom. Let me just circle it for you guys. Circle it. So you guys can see. Stay at the bottom. Okay. So when you press on that, it's gonna load until all your apps come out. And yeah, like this. Gonna do that, guys. And you scroll down to WhatsApp. Then you say clone. Now if you cloned the WhatsApp, it will just appear here. It will appear here. You see. Now when you press on your WhatsApp, it's loading. Now English or what? So now you have to add your contact details and everything. Like, use your other number, not your personal number, guys. This is for you. I decided to make this video for people that are struggling. There's a lot of numbers, like there's a lot of phone numbers on their WhatsApp, and they don't even take that number seriously. Like the people seriously that's on that WhatsApp, yeah, on that account, you see, for that number. It's on your personal account. So this is for like people that are not serious in your life, like just random people, you understand? Yeah. So even if you want to start a business, you can use this as your business number, you understand? You can use this as your business number, not your personal number. So yeah, just press, and you know how to use WhatsApp, so just press in your numbers and everything. I can't do that now because I don't want to make the video so long, you see. So yeah, that is how you do it, guys. This is the app that you use, yeah, and that's how you do it. It's very easy, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and I ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for you to be notified when I upload another video, guys. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.